Come test drive the 2019 Silverado 1500. The Chevy Silverado 1500 has the lowest cost of ownership of any full-size pickup. This vehicle has less than 9,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power heated outside mirrors, automatic transmission, remote power door locks, power sunroof, navigation system, Bluetooth, universal remote transmitter, heated steering wheel, cruise control, trip computer. Take this vehicle for a spin and see why so many shoppers are now proud owners.